where the classic cars are coming through, the pre-1960s. Wow, that's awesome. That's cool. It came through Nucla today. So we're just going to take a quick walk up the street and take a look at everything. Wow, this is some amazing, beautiful machinery being displayed. So I'm going to try to find out where they're traveling today or where they're heading out to. We make this run every year, so we are desperately trying to make sure we catch it this year. This one's my favorite. I saw it yesterday, drive through. That's just gorgeous. What a beautiful machine. That is one where you're just not going to see that out in the common public or doing whatever you do. So give me 1 second here. I got to recenter this gimbal. There's the Porsche we saw yesterday too. There was like 3 of them traveling together in this one. That gentleman's, I don't even know what that car is, but I even love the old Porsches. They're something else. We got a bunch of them on the other side of the street here too. So we're gonna walk up the street and then come back down. And I believe it's called the Colorado Classic 1000. It's basically a road rally for cars that are 1960 or later. It's exclusively for that age set. Wow. You rarely even see that car on these shores. Oh, he was just waiting. There's the Cobra.
I went in there, I went everywhere. Who wants money?
That is a bad, bad boy. Bill Cosby bought one of these one year. Scared the hell out of him. He does a comedy skit about it. It's one of his funniest comedy skits ever. And I'm still walking. There goes another one. Gotta turn around a little bit to see him come in this way. To be honest, it'll be pretty amazing to see how they fill this street, and I hope I get out of here. So I'm going to have to do my walk-bys and head out early. As the crowds gather, I'll need to get out. I definitely want to get a drone up in the air somewhere and start getting some aerial footage. An old Bentley, isn't that something else? The ultimate in luxury. That is an amazing piece of equipment. That's the one that revived us at the beginning of the movie. I should have my cell phone out looking up these cars, but this is something else. Beautiful cars.
Yes, they are. Thank you.
Where are you guys heading to after this?
We're going to Cortez. We're going to have lunch there.
Okay, so you're
And then
going to be heading south on 141 or
Yes.
in that direction?
Yeah.
Because I was
It's a
one.
great road.
I do, you know, nothing commercial, but I do videography, and
Yes.
I wanted just to know where it'd be a good location to put a drone up.
Okay.
And you know, from there, and then now I know, because I was hoping you guys would be coming this way, but I missed you.
Okay.
I wanted to catch you up around that flume corner.
Oh,
That's
okay.
my favorite. I ride trike, so that's my favorite
Yeah.
place. And it's one of those Can-Am roadsters. So I'm really digging this. My wife is like, I was telling the wife, we should get one of those. She's right, if we could afford it, you know.
Well,
But that is a beautiful car.
there are all kinds of beautiful cars here today. And it's just, what's beautiful is the great turnout you all are
Yeah.
giving us. So thank you.
No problem. We don't get much through here, that's for sure. I know in my work, I'm usually in the desert, petroglyphs.
Okay.
Very little to do with people or cars or auto. I do ride videos, that kind of stuff, but you know, mostly it's just my hobby. I don't make money on it, and I refuse to turn on the options in YouTube to do it because it's just a pain in the butt. And then they start asking questions about my drones,
Right.
and then but it's just for my boys. I'm not from here. We moved to this area,
Okay.
and they're up in North Dakota and Minnesota. So to stop the complaining about never seeing us, well, turn on YouTube. I'm right there. You know. So, but this is amazing. I didn't expect this kind of turnout from you guys. We've seen the crew come through a couple years ago, and there were a lot in it, but you guys didn't stop in the area, and wow. We saw this advertised yesterday. We're like, oh, we have to go. And my wife was a little upset because she had to work.
Okay. Morning. Morning. How are you?
But
Nice day, huh?
Oh, it's a perfect day.
well, thank you for speaking
Yeah.
with me. I'm going to
Sorry.
continue this long walk.
You
My
do
name
that.
is Craig,
Bill, Ryan, have a good day.
and that is a beautiful car. Where's your Alpha
We're down at the other end of the block.
at? Okay, thanks, Alan. Thank you. Wow. This is just something else. I get to start at the top and work my way down. There's a Ferrari. Wow. That was my dream car growing up. I love that car. And there's the bad boy. Wow. Wow. That was number one on the list there. I was not a Modern One fan. Good morning. You have a beautiful car.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for stopping in.
You bet. Thanks for having us.
We just don't get stuff like this around here. Okay, folks, that's what I've got for today. I'm going to do some still shots now, so there's just so much to take here. I'm going to be a little busy for about a half hour, but I want to get this out of the way. And thanks for helping me figure this out. And bear them with me. This is really rarely something that you rarely see here. Let me turn around. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to spend time with me today. And just hoping you can make sure, and if you're in the area, come out and see it. You only got about an hour left. And they're heading to Cortez after this. We'll talk to you later.